Hey everyone, it's Al, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to make another summer treat, ice cream sandwiches. So for today's recipe, you're going to need 3/4 cup of butter at room temperature, 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 2 eggs, 2 cups flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, an ice cream scoop, a spoon, parchment paper, some M&Ms, baking sheets, a large bowl, a hand mixer, and your ice cream of choice. Today I'm using vanilla ice cream. So the first step you're going to want to do is turn your oven on to 350 degrees. So the next thing you're going to want to do is start on your cookie batter. You're going to start off by creaming together your butter and your brown sugar and white sugar. So you know where your mixture is complete when it looks light in color and it gets fluffier. So now the next step you're going to want to do is add your vanilla extract. And your eggs one at a time. Now beat until your egg is fully combined. So once you finish mixing your eggs and your vanilla, it's time to add the dry ingredients. So you're going to add your flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and your 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now you're going to want to start off slow and work your way up. So once all your dry ingredients are mixed in, it's time to add your M&Ms. Like either add M&Ms or any chocolate candy you can find. Like either add as little as you want or as much as you want. Then you're going to gently fold them in. So once you fold it all in, you're going to want to chill this in the refrigerator for about half an hour, 45 minutes, or you can either put it in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. So once your dough is finally done chilling, you're going to want to line your baking pans with parchment paper, and then you're going to scoop in your cookie dough. You're going to want to do about a tablespoon each, and then you want to spread them out evenly because they are going to spread. Now this cookie recipe makes about 2.5 dozen cookies, so I'm just going to scoop each one in. I'm going to line about 4 in each one, so it'll be 4, 4, and 4. So once you filled all your baking sheets up, you're going to want to put them in the oven. You're going to put them in there for about 18 to 20 minutes. So after taking out your cookies out of the oven and letting them cool out completely, what you're going to do is get 2 cookies, turn them upside down, then you're going to get scoop of ice cream in the middle and squish it together. Now I made this one before and I just put M&Ms all around for decoration. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below if you want to suggest anything you want to see me make. See you soon. So for today's recipe, you're gonna need 3/4 cup of 3/4 cup of butter, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, God damn it, Dixie. So next step. So once our dry, you're gonna. So once your So the first step you're gonna want to do is. So the first step you're gonna want to do is turn your.